This is my second time ordering from Temu, and this is what everything came in a flimsy bag. So if you have anything that is fragile, breakable, yeah, good luck. Because look at this. It looks like I honestly got all my stuff from the garbage, from trash. And I got a couple items, as a gift. And how am I supposed to give it like this? This is horrible. I got this watch from Temu the last time, and my last order also came in a flimsy, thin bag, but I had a throw blanket, which is that one over there. So, in some bags, really, really thin bags, purses. But I figured, hey, it's okay, because in those items would have cushioned whatever else was breakable, but this one is all, a majority are items that are breakable. And everything is just smushed. Horrible. Like, what? Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. Like, are these even going to be usable? Not good. Like, can they not afford to put anything in the box to make sure your items are safe? Or even just put wrap or something inside so that everything is safe? But really, it's just a thin piece of plastic. Everything, all the items are smushed into the bag. And just good luck to whatever it is you're buying.